Kenstar Super is powerful 500-watt mixer grinder that has a smart, compact and space-saver design. It comes with 3 high-grade stainless steel jars including 1.25-liter blending and mixing jar, a 0.75-liter medium dry and wet grinding jar and a 0.4-liter chutney jar. Lids of all jars are transparent for monitoring the process. All accessories are made from superior quality plastic and stainless steel that makes up a sturdy ABS body. The machine homes 6 wing sharp blades for superior productivity. The whole apparatus stands firm and anti-slip vacuum suction feet for added stability. The dry and wet grinding jar can grind just about anything from lentils and pulses to turmeric, chili or pepper. Chutney jar can grind from things like coconut, mustard, mint, coriander, chilies and other condiments required in small quantities. While this appliance is very competitively priced, it comes with a 2-year warranty on the machine. Bring home happiness with Kenstar.